In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view notifications on Shopify so you can stay updated on orders, customer activity, and important store alerts. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a bell icon, which is where Shopify stores your recent notifications and alerts. Click on the bell icon to open the notifications panel. Here, you'll find updates about new orders, customer actions, store performance, and important messages from Shopify. To view more details, click on any notification or alert. Shopify will take you directly to the relevant section of your store. Regularly checking your notifications helps you respond quickly to customers and stay on top of your store's activity. That's it. You've successfully learned how to view notifications on Shopify. Thanks for watching.